Hello folks, welcome back. In previous lecture we have seen how to install Apache on RHEL servers. In this lecture we are going to talk about how we can use notify and handlers. I'm opening our install HTTPD file and this is the file, and here we are installing the package and start the service. Assume that if you are not installing the package, if that is the case, you cannot start the service as well, right? And also your target server is already installed and up and running with HTTPD, then you should not install it, or in this case I need to skip the my next tasks itself. So how can we do that one? So this can be possible by using the notify and handlers we are going to do over here. So let's open this file and let me become true. Then I want to start my HTTPD service whenever this HTTPD is installed. If it is not installed, I don't want to start the service. For that case, I can use something like this. So I want to notify to start HTTPD service. Okay. So I want to notify start HTTPD service. Then it would be something like this. Handlers should start from here. Okay, handlers. Now I want to handle this situation. So how can I handle? I want to start the HTTPD service in case if this HTTPD is installed. If it is not installed, it won't execute this particular task. So registering the output into the notify in this one, and I am handling this one over here, and make sure that this and this should be same. Okay, it may be anything. It should not be a start HTTPD service or start Apache, just like that. Okay, start Apache. But here also you should use the same start Apache. If you don't give, it cannot handle it. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just adding handler on top of the our service module, so that if this is executed, it is going to notify to start the Apache, and it comes here and start the Apache over here. All right, so let's save this file and let me open it one more time. Okay, now let's execute Ansible playbook -i hosts. So I will provide the hosts information all the time from now onwards, so that you don't get confused, because you may feel that I'm running a Ansible playbook with the default hosts file. Okay, minus check. So you can check it out, and you can see it is installing packages, and once it is installed, it is going to start the handler. All right, packages are already available, it won't handle it. So let's do this one without check. All right, it has been installed. If I go and check in the browser, I could see that this is up and running. Yes, this is up and running. Okay, and also if you notify, first it installed packages and it's starting the service, Apache service. Now let's re-execute this playbook. If we re-execute, it is already installed. So if it is already installed, notify will not notify to handler to handle the situation, because no activity is happening on the abort task. So you should not do anything. You can see here installing packages, and it is not handling the situation because it is already installed. So that is the advantage of using the notify and handler. So handler can handle if your notify task is executed. If notify is not doing anything, it won't touch. That's all for this lecture. So in next lecture we are going to see how to use when condition.